Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, super excited, we're going to be doing a Jeffree Star lip gloss unboxing. So when I heard that Jeffree was coming out with lip glosses, I was ecstatic because I'm a lip gloss girl, always have been a lip gloss girl. I love mattes, but lip gloss is just, love them. So like the moment they launched, I was on it. So I wasn't able to get all 18 of them, but I did buy a good amount so I could share with you. Okay, so if you want to see the unboxing, then let's just get to it. So this is the box that it came in. Good old pink box. We got his star tape. Couldn't think of the word for a moment there. But yeah, we got the star tape, the pink box. Let's open it. I seriously need to get like a box cutter or like a special opener for all my boxes because I do get a lot of boxes because I shop a lot and whatnot. And it's always a struggle getting the tape off every time. Like, oh. So if any of you know where I can get one of those special like box cutters for this, preferably like cute too, because that's always a plus, then please let me know. Alrighty, let's open it. Oh. So inside we got some fun, new, glossy tissue paper. Underneath all the tissue paper, we have a card. So we actually have two cards. We have this one with, I don't remember his name, but we have him. He's holding some concealers. And then on the back, we have the concealers, which I haven't tried yet, but they're definitely on my list to try, like ASAP. And then we got this handsome looking card right here. I'm gonna frame this and put this up on my wall. Super yummy. And on the back, we got some glosses. All of the 18 glosses right there. And we got some glosses. Okay, so the first lip gloss that we got is this Diamond Juice lip gloss. It's kind of like a rose gold lip gloss, and I'm actually super excited to try this one on my lips. Next, we have Legends Only, really, really pale nude. Hopefully it's not too pale for me. I'm gonna have to try it on my lips and see how I like it. But when I did get it out of the box, it kind of scared me. Like for a second, I'm like, oh, is it gonna be too light for me? But I think if I do a nice kind of deeper nude liner with this, I think it'll look really nice. I just wanted to show you a close-up of the top of the gloss. Really, really interesting and unique. I feel like I've never seen anything quite like it. Next shade that I got is Shockwave. Really kind of pretty orangey green, like orange with like a green speckle. Super pretty, so that should be fun to try on. So next we have Sky High, which is a icy white with blue specks in there. Really, really pretty shade. Just think it's super fun. Okay, so next I have Control Freak. Really nice pale pink. I think this is actually going to look really pretty on my skin tone. So I'm actually super excited for this one. Super excited for this one. This is in Crystal Kiss. It's kind of like a pink peachy, but when I look at it, I kind of see like greenish blue speckles. So it's kind of almost iridescent, but it's definitely like a soft pink shade, and I think this is going to look stunning on. So super excited to swatch this. This last shade is super... Okay, so this last shade is super fun. Did I just say this lash shade? So this last shade is super fun. This is in the shade Spank Me, and it's a super kind of fun, bright pink shade. So it's time to swatch these bad boys. Okay, so these smell so good. They remind me of like a cake smell. They just smell so delicious, and I can't wait to get it on my lips. So I'm starting out with that Legends Only shade, the one that I was kind of scared if it's going to be too light of a nude, but let's find out. So first thought of this is it's really nice and smooth on my lips. Doesn't feel sticky or anything, which is awesome. Yeah, so this doesn't feel sticky or anything. These feel so smooth and kind of like buttery on the lips, so super excited about that. So I'm looking on my phone because I can kind of see it better through here. So it looks really kind of like almost transparent, like a very light transparent nude. I actually really, really like it. I think it looks really nice. Looks like it has really faint, soft gold specks, like really, really tiny, almost microscopic. But yeah, I did just notice that. So next we're gonna try on Control Freak, which is the pale pink shade. Okay, so I really like this shade. It's a really nice, soft, subtle pink. Again, feels amazing on the lips. Really pretty shade. So far, I'm loving these. Yeah, I really like this shade. Really, really pretty. So next we're going to try on Sky High, which is that pretty iridescent kind of whitish blue shade. Alright, so really loving this shade as well. Okay, so next we're going to try on the shade Crystal Kiss. And this is just that soft peachy shade with a little bit of iridescent of different colors in it. Yeah, so this one definitely has like a pinky, peachy shift to it. Really pretty. Alright, so next we're going to try on Diamond Juice, this really soft pink shimmer shade. That's a super pretty one too. I really like that. Next up is Shockwave. This is that kind of golden peachy lip gloss. Super fun Shockwave. Okay, so it's time for the final shade, Spank Me. This is such a fun shade. It reminds me of like a Barbie pink. Okay, so that is all of the lip glosses that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing / try on. I'm so excited for these lip glosses. The formula feels amazing. I'm so excited to see how they wear throughout the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please don't forget to subscribe. And until my next one, bye!